Welcome to Web3 Revolution. I'm your host, Nitrous Oxide, and today we're taking a look at T, aka testnet. Now, they're starting a software revolution and we're going to check it out. But before we do, remember, this is not financial advice. And with that being said, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are at T. Now, aka testnet. This is really cool little deal here. So you've got the T token. Let's learn a little bit about that real quick. It's a token to unlock the potential of OSS. T is the access key to the T protocol. Value captured by the protocol accrues back to token holders in novel ways that further enhance sustainability of the open source software ecosystem. And you can learn more on Gitbook right here. And you can connect your Gitbook or GitHub to the testnet. So if we go over here to launch the app, what'll happen is you'll come into this area. Go ahead and register, which takes just a second, and they'll give you 10,000 tokens here to start with. So that's really cool. You can do staking you can do staking later. It's not available yet. A lot of these things are not available just yet. So for example, posting a project, not available just yet. Staking, not available just yet. Still brewing. So this is a system that's just getting up and running, and everything is getting lined out. But as of right now, there are some quests that you can do to get started, build up those tokens so that when staking becomes available and the projects and everything like that, you're ready to go and you've got a lot of tokens. So for example, just for signing up, they gave me 100 points. Let's go check out some quests here. So here's where I rank at. I'm not last, but I'm certainly not first. So we go down here and tell us a little bit about yourself. We'll get you 500 points times 5. So bang. Add your email address, be the first of 100 to tweet about T-Burn. So many things that you can do that are very simple to upgrade your profile and to make you some tokens. So go through here and fill up your bank with all these tokens. Look at that, 25,000. Wouldn't that be nice? So that's a little bit about the app and getting into it and things that you can do, and just keep checking back here weekly to see if everything's brewed and it's ready to go. So let's go back. So here we go. So now we're on T again, and testnet is now live, which we've just seen. And during the testnet, a test version of T tokens will be used. So in that app that I just showed you, those are test tokens. And it should tell you. Yeah, see, here's your address. But again, this is the testing. But there's your address, I guess. But you can, later on, they're going to let you connect your Coinbase wallet, your MetaMask, and all that stuff. It's just not there yet, but eventually you will be able to. So that's another thing I want to touch base on. So let's go. T is a cryptographic token that governs access to T protocol and the way value is distributed and shared amongst OSS products, developers, and community members interacting with the T protocol. T has a unique blend of characteristics that catalyze demand and strengthen its essentiality. As an infrastructure for OSS projects, T is required to register and support software projects and pay gas fees for transfers and protocol activity. As an application to improve the resilience of OSS, vulnerability reports must stake TEA to submit vulnerability reports and earn bounties. And future potential. T will serve as a universal primitive for decentralized marketplace for the OSS ecosystem, facilitating full composability regardless of project's package manager, dependencies, and dependence. In that sense, T will allow developers to capture the value and create with fair incentives for their contributions. You can get Gitbook, go check it out. So T allows OSS developers to capture the value they create. And right here it shows a little breakdown of what they're talking about. And right there, your value creation, they go through and explain more things to you and the value capture and how all that works. You want to read through there. T, tokenomics, general information. They have a maximum token supply of 10 billion right now, guys. And the estimated date of TGE is Q2 in 24, so it's coming up. Type of supply is deflationary. So here is the T distribution schedule. Man, I'm telling you what, I cannot read anymore. I don't know what's going on with my brain, my noggin. Can't read simple words. But anyways, so the T distribution schedule, you can go through here, learn all about that. Token allocation by group. You've got 51% to the ecosystem, 18% to protocol development, 12.5% to early supporters and advisors, 11% to private sale, 3% to liquidity, and 3% to public sale. T emission schedule. This is going to explain everything that you need to know. Their project maintainers, community members, project supporters, vulnerability reports. T token release schedule for the first 5 years. So it looks like they break it down here to divide everything up as the years go on. So you can learn more about that. Check that out. So if you have questions or need assistance with T, you can get support right here. They're on Twitter, of course, Discord, YouTube, you know, all the goodies. So check them out. We're going to check out their Twitter in just a second. Let's see here. So if you're a developer, you can also join, and also over here on the app, it asks you if you're a developer or what. So you can sign up as a developer or just a regular Joe Schmo like me. But yeah, so let's just find out why join T. Because your OSS contribution should be rewarded. Open source software creators and maintainers have been toiling away in obscurity since the dawn of the internet, and the T protocol is designed to reward them. And so, you know, if you want to get rewarded for all your hard work, then I think that T is a great opportunity for you. So give it a try. And there's their white paper. Let's give that a shot. Check that out, see what they got to say. So go over here, as always, like I tell you on every one of our shows, get in their white paper, learn everything that you can about these guys so that you know what you're investing in, the history behind and how they got started, you know, what their goals and everything is, and where their future is leading. So make sure that you check through all this white paper and do your diligence on your investments, guys. So how can I join? I explained to you, it's very simple. You know, just a few questions answered, email. I signed up with my Google. Did not take long at all. You'll be able to go through there and, like I said, earn tokens on their testnet. And as you check back, more and more will be available. But for right now, go through there, do their challenges and their quest, get your bank filled up, because you're starting with 10,000 already, guys. So go ahead and get everything that you can. Now they have a T forum. The T forum is a place where the community can go, and they offer learning, answering questions, engaging in discussions, and open source software, staying updated with the latest news and development of the ecosystem. So, you know, this is a good place to go to where you can learn, and, you know, and you'll be updated with what's opening what's brewing, what's finished that you can use on the testnet and everything. And all these links to everything is going to be down below in the description. So make sure you grab that out of the description of this video and go check out everything that T and testnet has to offer. This is very cool. Let's go over their Twitter, see what's been popping on their Twitter. Decentralized technology protocol that enables OSS developers to be rewarded for their software contributions, which is awesome. The moment is finally here. Get signed up, upload your package, and complete the challenge, which we just talked about. And that was on February 21st. So they're due for another updated post. So keep checking back with them, add them on Twitter. And guys, if you liked what you saw on this episode, please hit that like and subscribe button, bang that notification bell, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.